Hi everyone, my name is Julia. Welcome to the Key to English Pronunciation. This course is ideal for intermediate to proficient speakers of English. In this course, I will show you how to pronounce correctly in English. With a variety of tricks and exercises, you will learn how to read new words thanks to the phonetic transcription. We will then practice together. We will look at word endings, stress patterns, commonly mispronounced words, as well as the irregular verbs. Throughout the different sections of this course, you will learn how to gain more confidence, pronounce correctly, and teach yourself more vocabulary. Let's get started.